Tomi Ilijas, who is Arcturus CEO. Tomi is a founder and CEO of Arctus, and he holds an MSc degree from Ljubljana University, Faculty of Electrical Engineering. Thomas is an entrepreneur focusing on high-tech innovation who has shared his knowledge and experience to many startups and spin-offs in the region. He participated in several EU-funded R&D projects, inventing new business models in HPC as a service and successfully breaking the barriers in bringing HPC to manufacturing SMEs. He's also a member of EuroHPC Research and Innovation Advisory Group and a member of PRAISE Industrial Advisory Committee. Welcome, Tomi.
Hi. Hi. Thank you very much for inviting me. I'm very proud to be part of your event. And I hope that I will give you some useful information to your participants, especially small and medium enterprises and the users, you know, who are going to use or be partners with SMEs, who are facilitating SMEs to get on board with HPC. So today I will introduce you the call as a partner of EuroHPC, FF4EuroHPC project. You know, we have an open call of on which we are calling SMEs to participate and get some funding to scale up on HPC. Just a little bit, I have to do something with my, okay, good. So, this is basically third project in a row. The previous two were funded in FP7 and Horizon 2020. And this one is third in a row of the successful Fortissimo projects. All projects, they have a substantial amount of money dedicated to open calls, dedicated to SMEs, which would like to perform their simulations in HPC. So we have a new call today, and today we have a new call this autumn, and I would like to present you and encourage you to apply for this grant. So what we are searching for? We are searching for the innovative SMEs who are newcomers in the HPC world and would like to scale up and so on. So we would like to foster new innovations, lowering the barriers for SMEs to jump into this quite demanding world. Good. So usually we have done more. We have more than 100 experiments and just few less success stories, and the results are pretty much the same as it is here in this chart. So most of them, they are using HPC to reduce costs or to increase return of investment or decrease, shorten time to solution, etc. And some of them, of course, it's 1/4 of them, they're dealing with problems which cannot be solved by any other means, So this is the structure. So usually SMEs are using HPC by these reasons, and there are, of course, some more reasons. Important is, to understand why we are targeting SMEs. We have some very nice, lots of very nice European HPC centers. Most of them are state-owned or on a national or international level. We have seen Lumi, excellent pre-exascale center in Finland, but most of these HPC resources are used for academia, for research, of course, and some large industries are using HPC resources as well, but not SMEs. So as having SMEs in Europe, SMEs in Europe are very, very important part of the economy. And increasing the usage of HPC among SMEs are opening totally new dimensions to SMEs, and of course their growth and their importance on the global market. So that's why we are targeting SMEs, remember, and we are targeting newcomers among SMEs, those who has a potential to use HPC, but they are not using it yet. So they do some kind of simulations, but on local servers, local desktops, whatever, but they have a great potential to use this in the proper HPC systems. So in the first open call, we have got, as you see, almost 70 proposals, and there were really wide range of application areas. But you see this a graph, you know, the coupled simulations, machine learning, CFD, finite elements, etc. So these were the main application areas. The other statistics shows that only, well, 16 proposals were selected because this was the budget of 3 million euros. Most of the proposals were around 200,000 euros, which is the limit. And you see statistics from many countries, and you'll see which countries won in the first phase. And in the second phase, we are searching for a new dimension. We would like to attract SMEs from the countries which were not funded yet, and of course, the focus is manufacturing. But if you work on other areas, it's fine, it's okay. But you have to show that you can scale up. You have to show the importance. You have to show the impact on EU economy. So this is so important. Okay, so priorities, of course, are always centered around SMEs, those SMEs which are new to use HPC. Important. If you have already won several EU projects, or you work for years with HPC, please do not apply, because your score cannot be high, because we are searching for newcomers, right? Okay. I kind of hurry up a bit because I will leave some time for questions, and all these slides are available on the website, so you don't have to print screen or whatever you do. So what we expect, we expect to have all necessary partners in a consortia, because if you're a newcomer in HPC and you don't have any HPC expert on board, then it could be, you know, it could be a risky project. So please take care that you have a representative from academia, from HPC center, for wherever, and it should be the one who are eligible for Horizon 2020. Right. So the budget. The budget is 200,000 euros for all parties, but each of partners cannot exceed 150K. So this was the most common mistake in the first call. So there were several excellent projects with some little mistakes, but we had to reject it. So please be careful about this. In this second call, we have 5 million euros You see, so we are expecting around 25, at least 25 projects will be awarded, and it's electronic form. It's quite straightforward. You have 10 pages of the text to write down, plus this administrative part. And the criteria are, as always in all projects, you see the impact, the soundness of concept, quality of the consortia, and deployment of resources. So the impact is double weight. So in total, we have 25 points. Each criteria 5 points, from which the first criteria impact is doubled. And it's so important to show the impact of what you do on the industrial and exploitation, etc. Good. I'm sure you can find as SMEs, if you don't have any experience with applying to the research projects, your friends, your tutors from academia can well help you in this. So this is part A. Part B, it's simple, but please take your time to write the proposal, and don't start writing the proposal a week before you apply, because you have to be read it twice, 3 times, do the consultation with your academia partners, etc., and they will help you. So in the first call, 9 countries, you see Croatia, France, Germany, Greece, Italy, Montenegro, Serbia, Spain, UK, already won. So from these countries, so the rest of the eligible countries will apply in the phase A, and the 3 million euros out of 5 will be distributed to the best proposals from new member states, from new countries, right? This is important, and the threshold is 17 points, but please bear in mind that to win this open call, you will have to have around 20 points at least. And in the second part, so the remaining 2 million euros are dedicated to the other countries. So you see, Poland is not listed in the first, so all the Polish SMEs will go to the first phase, so you have more chances, let's say, to win, right? So this is basically the process, which is again straightforward. We are using external evaluators, and it can take a while. It can take a couple of months before we get the results, but at the end, this is very, very objective, let's say, scoring. So you see again, 150K per partner. This is maximum. Don't go, because we had to reject proposals in which one partner exceeded this number for a couple of hundreds of euros, and this was really painful, but that's life, small mistake and big consequences. Thank you very much. I really hope that many Polish and other SMEs will apply, and that we'll have great experiments, and at the end we will get great success stories who will be listed in brochures and publicated all around Europe.